welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and today I'm sharing with you guys a tutorial for the viral aloe vera hair mask. I feel like this is perfect for the summertime, and aloe vera has so many health benefits. It says that aloe vera deeply conditions and moisturizes hair, it soothes itchy scalp, and it helps to control excess oil, which is really nice. So again, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tutorial on how to achieve my version of this hair mask. I'm going to be adding a few extra ingredients, walking you guys through the steps so that you can make this mask at home for yourself and save some coins for a very easy DIY hair mask that you can make at home this summer. So if you're interested in today's video, let's get started.
Okay babe, so let's start with some of the ingredients that you're going to need for this hair mask. Starting off with honey. I really like to add honey to my hair masks as this helps to help moisturize dry hair, keep your curls looking shiny, reduce frizz. Next you're going to need coconut oil, which helps to prevent breakage and help with split ends. And then lastly, obviously, is going to be the aloe, which we already talked about. It's going to hydrate your hair, soothe out itchy and irritated scalps, help with scalp flaking, all the good stuff. And then obviously you're going to need a blender for this. So that is all of the key ingredients that you're going to need for this hair mask. Go ahead and grab a cutting board, and we're going to start by cutting up our aloe into small pieces. Now babes, they don't need to be tiny, but they do need to be smaller. This is going to make it a lot easier to be able to clean it and put it in the blender. So make sure that you're doing relatively small to medium chunks. So for any of my girlfriends that need a visual, because I'm the exact same way, this is the size that I did for my aloe vera chunks. Now once you've cut up all of your aloe vera, you can now go grab a bowl, because that is what you're going to need for this next step. Fill up your bowl halfway with lukewarm water, making sure that it's not too hot, but also making sure that it's not cold. And then from there, we're going to take our aloe vera chunks and we're going to put it in the water. Now babes, I know what you may be thinking, why are we soaking this aloe plant in the water? Now the truth is that when you cut into an aloe leaf, you'll notice a yellow sap that is oozing out, and this is called aloe latex, and it contains a compound like aloe, which can basically irritate the skin and scalp. It can be drying for some people, leave a sticky residue, and we honestly don't want that, especially being that this hair mask is supposed to be hydrating our hair. So with this water, we're basically going to be soaking our aloe chunks for the next 15 to 30 minutes to help draw out some of that yellow latex. You can literally see at the bottom of this bowl how yellow and murky it looks, but that's good because that means that it was drawing out all of that yellow latex. And now we can basically grab another bowl, and I like to cut the sides of the aloe chunks and then cut down the middle, because we're basically going to now scoop out all of the aloe meat or the insides, because that is what we're actually going to need for our hair mask. Now, like I mentioned earlier today, I am going to be remixing this mask a little bit. So I'm going to add some honey, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the honey, and then about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil, pretty much just eyeballing it. And then from there, we're going to take all of our ingredients and we are going to blend it up in our blender. Now, I will say when it comes to blending this hair mask up, you want to get it as smooth as you can, especially now that you're adding the coconut oil, which can be a little bit more grainy. You want to make sure that this is going to be super smooth, because if not, you're going to be left with a lot of chunks in your hair, which is honestly not ideal for this type of hair mask. So making sure that it's as smooth as you can get, very liquidy. And then from there, you're going to grab a hair applicator, usually used for dyeing your hair or hot oil treatments. And then from there, you're going to slowly and carefully, not the way I did it, because I definitely should have used like a funnel or something, but try to get it into that hair applicator as good as you can. And then from there, you're pretty much just going to apply this onto your hair, leaving the hair mask on your hair for about 15 to 30 minutes before washing it out. And then from there, you could take your favorite shampoo, conditioner, and really give yourself a little self-care day in the shower. I find this hair mask to be super hydrating, especially now that we're in the hotter summer months. Girl, it is hot outside. I don't know. Nobody prepared me for how hot it was going to be this summer, and my hair has been needing, almost craving some hydration. But anyways, babes, that is my super quick and easy aloe vera DIY hair mask. As always, if you love today's video and want more videos just like this, don't forget to subscribe, like today's video, share with a girlfriend, and I will see you babes next week. Bye.